So I just got done with my lecture. Today is Tuesday, so I only had like a 2-hour lecture, and after that I just sat in the library and I completed some of my ethics application. It's currently 6th of February. I just noticed that I never really talk about the date. I just say which date is. But yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna be making some lunch. But I also have a really cool unboxing thing to do because I ordered a blender for myself from Philips. So we're gonna unbox that and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna open this up and we'll see.
So Maggie and I decided to finally head out after a month. We went to Somerset House and we initially planned on going to this cafe, but I think the cafe had been replaced by some other Hello Kitty cafe and it had a huge line. The wait was like 2 hours. We initially planned on just taking our laptop, taking our books, and going to a nice cafe to study, but that didn't really happen because we ended up exploring a lot and we reached quite late because of the bus strike or something that was happening. And then we ended up just grabbing some lunch, talking about life, finally catching up, and just enjoying our weekend.